Hey friends, today is March 13th. I just woke up like an hour ago, 10:20. I really wanted to sleep. I was kind of, exhausted, but that room was very good. Just some dude came like knocking in the morning asking if I'm going to the airport. I was like, what? Come on, man. Yeah, besides that, it was very good. I got my scooter. I'm gonna go to the coconut guy. Gonna get a coconut. Gonna get some breakfast. It's gonna be a good day. So I have some vegetable rolls. They didn't have egg rolls. Yeah, okay, I'll show you a nicer one. These ones. I'm eating them like very often. Vegetable. They have fish ones. But I don't know, I don't trust the fish here. It's like the ocean. I don't know. And it looks polluted. Also got some water. So these are usually like, you can get them for 60, maybe even cheaper. But I paid 80. And they asked for an omelet with 3 eggs, 1,000. So that's like more than €3. I don't know. In Europe it's okay, good price, but I think it's like a little bit too much, just for like eggs, and that's it. Yeah, I can get a whole pack, even 2 packs of eggs, like 20 eggs for like €3 in my country. And I have a kitchen, so it would be smarter just to like buy some eggs and do it by myself, Yeah, it looks like it's very overpriced for tourists, everything is, Yeah, and also I have tea, so I'll make some tea. Yeah, just save some money. Better. Look at me with my pink helmet and all dressed up. So I'm at this Bellingham, I think. So this is the beach. Bellingham. A lot of little boats. Little bigger fishing boats. I just put gas in. It costed $371 per liter. That looks cool. So my scooter is not the best. This doesn't work. I need to fix it somehow. I need a tool. The horn also doesn't work, and these brakes also doesn't work. So far one of the worst scooters I ever had. I tried to drive to Hiriketiya beach. It's like 45 kilometers from here. Quite a lot. Yeah, so I arrived in Hiriketiya beach. Wasn't that far actually. I was kind of disorientated from Google. It said go on a highway. There's no highway. You need to go by the coastline. And there's no highway for scooters, I mean. Only for cars and trucks. So it's nice. It looks very swimmable. But I don't have my swimming shirts, but it's cool. A lot of surfers. Yeah, as you see, the prices are almost like in Europe. Like ice latte, €3. Americano, €2. Fruit plate, how much is this? Like €4. Yeah, dish is almost €10. I don't know. Yeah, so it looks like a cool chill beach. Not that many people actually. A lot of people learning how to surf. I think it's like a trend here, like go surfing. Yeah, so I'm going back to, need to find a place to eat and go back home. I don't know, to extend or to not extend one more day. Probably I will. Because Colombo is gonna be soon, so maybe just enjoy Sri Lanka a little bit more. Yeah, so dragon fruit is 8,000 per kilo. I don't know, like tourist prices, but yeah, durian is 1,000. I paid 500, and it looks like they're like putting prices like what they see you look, they put a price. And it's so hard to find good food like for good prices. Everything is like super touristic, or else like these rolls, they're at good prices. Yeah, so finally found a local place. Chicken cod is 600. Yeah, I was looking for a local place for an hour. Yeah, chicken fried rice. Yeah, so the prices are 2 times, maybe 3 times cheaper. It's called Yasmin Hotel, next to Gold Palace and Shoe Zone. So the hoppers are for 100 in the morning with egg and 120 now, and chicken fried rice is 600 half. So that's a good deal. Yeah, so I spent 720. That's like €2 for the hopper and for the chicken rice. So yeah, I think it's good price, but somehow the menu is all in English, so I think the locals still pay different. Maybe I think they like pay half, because I heard like the salaries are low, so it wouldn't be logical. Hey, so I just came back home. So today, as you saw, I was driving a lot with the scooter. So I did 109 kilometers, 4 hours and 5 minutes, something like that. So I went to Veligama to change some money, Had some drive here. Like navigation said go through highway, but the highway was closed for scooter, so I was like wandering around here. So I just decided to go to the shoreline, and after that was like to the shoreline to Hiriketiya beach, because my main goal was to visit Hiriketiya beach. Like I wanted to stay in Ilvela, so I really wanted to check out the place, but it looks very chill, good for surfing, just good for relaxing. I don't know, maybe not for solo traveling. It looks like more, couple, maybe not. Maybe if you go in a hostel, it could be fun. Yeah, just find something, to party with somebody, go surfing with somebody, but I don't know. Just not my thing now. Like maybe I would go to train, in Thailand better than just spending days here surfing. I don't know. So yeah, today was fun. You've seen everything, almost what I did. What didn't I like? It was very hard to find like a local place, because you saw restaurants, like some normal dish costs like 3,000. The local places usually only have like kotu or fried rice or rice and curry. That's kind of also boring. And also the egg rolls, vegetable rolls, but they're cheap. Like vegetable rolls you can find even for 60, egg roll for also 60 if you're lucky, So I'm just thinking maybe it's even, could be even cheaper. I don't know. If you know, leave a comment. So for the chicken kotu, I saw the price is like 600. For chicken rice was also 600. So yeah, but it's the same dish every time. Like I heard, like the locals don't go out, so yeah, it's more like they do food in their home, so it's not very popular here to go eat out. Yeah, but if you want to go eat out, it's not super cheap, but it's not super expensive also, It just feels when you're traveling for a long period of time every day, just spend 10 euro for one meal. I don't know. Like in 1 month, that's a lot of money. So yeah, every day like 30 euro, So yeah, that's about it. I'll show something tomorrow. By the way, I extended one more day just to relax. I'm gonna go probably soon to Colombo, just get a flight back to Chennai.